All right, here we're looking at a custom fitted top teeth grill. This is a 6-piece, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teeth. It is solid 925 sterling silver, and it features that diamond dust finish on it. You see that shine right there? Sparkles. Okay, now that's that diamond dust finish. Here's the back side. It's handmade, so it's made for perfect fit, custom fitted. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. Order online at blingcartel.com. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching, as always.